Okay, so here's your answers for day 4 warm-up. First point we're going to pick, I need you to notice, these go by 4s, these go by, well, 1s starting after 20, right? So it's like not drawn to scale, they might say. So this first point here is going to be the point 4, 21. And this point, let's call it 16, 24. Again, over 16, up 24, right? So remember our formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so we're going to call this x1, y1, x2, y2. So we plug those in. So what that looks like filled in then is 24 minus 21 over 16 minus 4. Or that's 3 over 12, which reduces to 1 over 4. And you can see that in it here, right? So if we start here, I go up 1, it goes over 4, right? It goes from 4 to 8. Go up 1 to 23, go over to 12, so it's up 1 over 4. Definitely a positive slope. And what does it mean? So if you had to write it in words, for every for every 4 days, the baby grows another pound. Because again, the y's are, or the inches, I'm sorry, goes an inch in length. So the y's inches in length, that's the top. And the age is the bottom here. So every 4 days, the baby grows another inch. That's what it would mean in words. You want to write that down. Every 4 days, the baby grows another inch. When I first wrote this question, I was playing that game on the Nintendo Wii, right? You could run into cows and things. So anyway, so let's take a look here. Picking 2 points, we're going to calculate the slope first off. So x1, x2, y1, y2, look familiar, right? So we're going to have 28 minus 21 over 4 minus 3. Nope, that's not right at all, is it? Were you paying attention? Did you catch that? Yeah, that's one of those errors I see kids make quite a bit. So let's try it this way. Let's try 28 minus 4, right? y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1 over 21 minus 3. So that ends up being 24 over 18, which reduces to 4 over 3. So what does that mean? It means that I hit 4 cows every 3 hours, because cows is the y. So I hit 4 cows every 3 hours. Makes you want to get in the car with me, right? Loads of fun. Okay, so on these, you need to, this one you can count the slope, right? First off, let's talk about the red line. That's a positive slope, because they don't have indicators here. Positive slope. So this one, again, changing, so rise over run, remember? Our slope is rise over run, and this appears on your quiz and test and all over the place, right? So for the red line, it goes up by 1. So 1. And goes over by 1, 2, 3, 4. So the red line, the slope is 1/4. And that makes sense. It's a positive slope. So again, up 1 over 4. The green line is going to be a negative slope. I know that because it goes down going from left to right. And you can see that here. Going left to right, it goes downward. So we're going to go ahead and count then. It goes down by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a negative 4. And it goes over by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can't reduce that, so negative 4/5 is the slope of the green line. So now that you're done with the warm-ups, please go to the next slide. And I've got 2 videos for you. One of them is going to be division by 0 by me. So we're going to talk about division by 0. Division by 0. Can't really read that. And then I'm going to include the one from Khan Academy on division by 0. Mine is the only one I require you to be able to repeat the information. It's on the quiz and the test. The Khan Academy one actually gives a real, true, amazing math explanation.